going on an adventure, kind of. Somebody on the neighborhood Facebook page wrote that there was a pregnant cat outside and that it kind of ran away like when they saw it, so we're gonna go look for it. She said that the cat sounded like it was in labor, like it was kind of in pain, so we're gonna go find it. And I told them that if they find the kittens, to bring them to our house, because Brandon says we can't adopt any more kittens, but if we had to rescue some, then it would be fine. So we'll see what happens.
I don't.
Cats.
No sign of her yet. We've checked a couple different places. We're heading to a third that we think it might be at. We're heading there now.
Because we love cats.
Been following this trail for a little bit. It goes under this street sign, so I'm gonna go check that out and see what we can find.
Brandon keeps braving the fields to look for the mama cat. And I am wearing sandals, so I'm not going out there. Just a cat daddy in his normal habitat. Cat hunting, that is. For more pets. It's actually a really pretty shot. Oh, he's back. Guys, okay. Honestly though, if he found the cat, and kittens even, I don't know, I don't think we'd keep one. We looked at getting a second cat just a couple weeks ago. Can't remember if it was before or after my miscarriage, but we looked at 2 cats, and one of them was a little older than we would have liked, and the second one was the perfect age, but not litter box trained because they'd been raised outside. So we didn't get either of them. And I think that's fine. Like, we have 2 cats already, it's probably okay, but I could have more alt cats in the world. So who knows if it'll ever happen, but if we found these cats, I'm sure he'd let me bring one home, so we'll see.
If we don't hear word of her, I'll come back later.
Okay, that's fair. Well, we're gonna go walk other places too.
Yeah. We never found the cat.
Oh yeah, are you putting that in this vlog?
I don't know. I'll put it somewhere, but I want to wrap it up so people are aware. We did not find the cat.
On the important note of raising money for needy families.
We didn't find the cat. So
if you know of any cats that need a home, send them to Brandon.
only if they're living on the streets. If they actually have a home, forget about it.
If you have a cat in your house that you don't want anymore, put it outside for 5 minutes and then send it to us.
That's not how it works.
Well, they lived on the streets for 5 minutes though.
No. They have to be in need, needy cats.
Yeah, because
cats that can't fend for themselves.
Nobody's gonna take care of them anymore.
No.
Okay, fine, send them to me and I'll take care of them. So last night we sat down and answered a lot of just like random questions about ourselves. But if you guys have anything that you want to know specifically, just put it in the comments and then we can go through and answer your questions. We're still new to this whole vlogging thing, and so we don't really know what people care about and what you want to know. So let us know if there's anything specific that you want to know or that we should share.
Hi world. What are we doing today?
We are in Logan. We just pulled into town almost, and we're going to see the babies, and then we're going to go to lunch with Brandon's parents and his little brother. And that's it, right? We're going to leave them the stuff we bought for them at Disney. We have a little headstone for little Bean that we're going to leave today finally, so yeah. calls for Aggie ice cream.
Ah.
Aggie ice cream on the pants. I got that on camera, I think. What kind did you get?
Aggie Blue Mint, cookies and cream.
Nice. I got cookie fudge on top, ROTC on the bottom. That's what it's called. It's raspberry Oreo toffee chocolate. I didn't think about it. Just thought it was like the ROTC like on campus, I guess. We're gonna eat the ice cream now and not talk to anybody for a little bit.
So we stole this dog. Her name's Pippa. She belongs to a couple of our neighbors, but when we want to go for walks, we borrow her sometimes to keep us entertained. But she likes to eat everything, and she likes to smell everything, so it's a slow going process. But we're getting better, kind of. And we're distracted by a stick. Oh!